Yo, hi shame. Umuntu ukhola ezwile. Umuntu ukhola ezwile. Umuntu ukhola ezwile fethu lekhaya. Hello guys, let's try again. Let's try again with more. Let's try again. Ozobuza usiphamandla nje ngiyaphuma futhi. Ozobu claimer, disclaimer. How are you guys? I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Gikatetsi. Okay, who's got the verse of the day? Which means love your neighbor. Love thy neighbor. Who's got the verse of the day, guys? Namhlanje. Hello, Hope. Please speak English. I don't understand some words, but I am a Zulu girl with some power. So that's Mike. Yeah, it's in. Okay, I'll speak English. You're so pressing. What does that mean? I don't know. Why doesn't that sound like it's a nice thing? Anyway, how are you guys? I've missed you. It's been a while since I've done a live. How I get to share and get verse of the day, guys. Kanjani. Kanjani, bro. Konje kuthiwa ngikhuluma isingisiphela. Aw. Ebusuka njena. Hey, ngeke guys ngihlala ngami. Siyakhathaza isigisa ingeke. Siyathu. Keep pressing my ears. Alright, sibenjani usuku lenu namhlanje? What did you guys get up to? What did y'all do? If you are still at work. Kabu esitswana. Kuyakutlwa. I'm getting tired, guys. Yo. Verse of the day, ninga force the nagloni verse of the day le lunyabonage. How? Thank you. Hope, is it possible to slap Nomkosi on the show? As an act, obviously. You know what? I will try today. If I get fired because of you, Katlo. I am Katlo. I am reading our comments, Candice. Nkosi yami. The Mal is asking why Ngibiza Ngomam Kululi. She is still on season 1. Good luck. You are so beautiful. Thank you. Indlela osebenza ngayo. Yo, I remember you going live live very late. So just make sure you pour your energy back. Thank you, babes. You need a spa. Oh, Samuel. You answered yes since 5 a.m. in the morning. I am not understanding a thing, but I will still be here till you finish. Sorry, Tanaka, I'm speaking English now. Nangoku simangele, Nkosi yami, nangoku simangele. Where is Kwanele Mthethwa?
Oh, stop it.
Sebeqalile.
Simangele, stop it.
Simangele yindaba, Simangele 9401. Why unje? You are beautiful. Thank you, Star. Muvumbi. Try to vend, I hope. I'm so horrible when it comes to languages, guys. It's something I'm really trying to work on. But I don't know any vendor. Thank you for the first Nokbonga. Kazimulo, mine was busy, couldn't finish. Mine is also busy. It's just been a long day. Mom? Just a little. It's probably like more too. Kungenzekile sasishandisa ngalela langa. Unomkhosi nokhulekani nibagudluza nini? Wathena mina ubabezala wami. Ngangibukile. Ethini? Wathini ukwazi? Wathi ukwazi Mthembu lempi? Akuyona yakho. Awungiculele le ngoma uma ngikhathele kanje mfethu ngivele ngicule nje vusi awukahle. Hayi vusi. Yazi I'm sure I've forgotten everything ukukhuluma isiNgisi. But you don't do that. Vusi, you don't. Okay.
Bafuna isiNgisi, bafuna isitswana. Bafuna umculo.
Tembiso is asking for my number. Okay, my number is 06-832-8782. What are you doing there? I'm at work. May the Lord be with you and keep you safe. Thank you. Amen. Ayibo phela ingane yami leyo. Try tosa. Okay. Huh? Guys, where's my ring? Oh ma, uzongibulala ulona. Ngenze njani? Oh ma. And they try. I don't want to butcher another language. Love how she's rapping Your Duke. Been watching her. That's the Z-double-Z-Z. The best in the game. The best in the game. And that English. The best in the game. Tsonga. Nkosi yami angazi angikwazi ukukhuluma isiXhosa. Angikwazi ukukhuluma isiXhosa. Ngenze njani? Lucy's okuthwalisayo, she's doing the most. Listen. The baddest.
Thank you, sweetie.
Angisazi isiXhosa, guys. Is your merch no longer available? It is still available. Not a lot left, but yeah, it is still available. Thank you, Ainsley. That's so beautiful. Ubizala ngegama. Ngeke this time kumele nilwe. Vimfethu khona ngicela inamba yami angazi ukuthi ngithini. This is my brother, y'all. VK Putwami. Oh, that's it. Oh, my Linda Michola, baby. Sizi, uthomunye yindaba ungasawa upost ama TikToks anymore. How's that, girl?
Sizoposta amaphepha.
Yebo.
Sisashama latest.
Senzani?
So send us soon.
Ay, bovine ngilahlekelwe i-ring yami yomshado mfethu. I don't know. I don't know what I did with that.
Go.
I really hope. Noma uyithathile ubona. You'll be filming. Yes, I'm going to film right now. I miss you so much, Linda. Oh, Nganam, it's been like, I think this is the longest I haven't seen you. I miss you so much. Ngani, ngeke siyidinga i-ring. Kodwa I don't know. I think maybe it's in my room.
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Akazi ban ring yam? I-ring yam.
Your ring.
Eh?
Ngicela uyikhumula. Ngishule eduze kwakho unsafe.
On set? I don't know. I haven't seen it in a while.
Yeah, I think it was raining. Yesterday, that on the table? Was it the table or?
I remember also I was playing with it. I don't know what I did. Oh my
You left it on
gosh.
your room.
Can I have your number? No, guys. No.
Bountiful number.
No.
Bountiful number.
No, khona ucela inamba yami la.
Ngizobona ubona ufuna ukuthi
Lambo, uthando uthi number please.
Uthumbo. Thando lwethu.
Ngithando lwethu uthi number please.
In phone number.
Yebo.
Number yokunuka.
Number please. Hayi wena. Oh, what is wrong with you? Your father-in-law takes his time when dealing with those who are troublesome. Please ask him not to take much time dealing with them this time around. I am enjoying the storyline though. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, so.
Eyakithi ngane sombisi godide. No, we've literally been filming since 5 a.m. Nkosi uthathe i-ring yakho ndlala ngayo shame. Where is your ring mfethu? Ish. Angazi nami. I don't want to lie. Ifitha ingenza engathi okay, it's nice. You guys, they're rolling. Akawaphatha namanje. The last one.
Okay, boss. Can give me one bale? Okay,
Come on,
guys.
somebody.
Pick up from there in 3.
Oh, this is the last thing I'm doing. Get out of my way. Yeah, but we'll do it.
3, 2, 1, action.
It's not this one. No. No, go back. Once. Guys, today I had 16 cents. 16 cents. meetings back to back. Sure.
Oh, what's this?
Vela say, no, mina ngihamba la. Mabusi, I'm sure I'll walk away. Vela say, I just usher him in. Vela says, nice vakash. Come in, take a seat. Mase ngiyahamba. Uvule next one. Even ngiyakhlala uzothiwa ngihlaleke. Hopefully marry Zamtolo. I can't marry Zamtolo because he's a character first of all. So I don't know. Phile mfethu ayimdala nje. Ayakena uphile ngiyaxolisa phile ukahlo. Ukahla. Kahlo, don't ask that question, Kahlo. Ngibuzeni ngami, ask me about me. Not about other people. Daddy! Daddy, why are you looking so smart? Oh my God, look at how handsome you're looking.
Hey,
With your handsome self.
thank you.
Aish, give us a turn around, Mr. Ndluli. Ew.
Yeah,
Come on with it.
yeah.
Aish.
How fast are we go?
Pastor Ndluli. Ngakhulela phi emthwalume bebe. Esihlonyaneni. Phansi emjondo. Ngakhulela esihlonyaneni, hayi Hadingi. Hadingi nesihlonyana of very
Yakwazi mthole high.
yes.
Nganginehlobo ngalapha.
I know mthwalume high eCabane ila engizalelwa khona.
Oh, my baby daddy is from that side.
Mhlawumbe sihlobene ngempela ane. Have you ever been to Eastern Cape? Yes, I have. Lapho ngaseGobela wazi mina nje sihlonyaneni 26 stop.
Sahle stopini noma usodwa.
Yebo.
Usuke wehlapha stopini.
Usengahlika 26.
Usuke wegibela taxi phela abantu bahlika stopini. Umuntu ogibela taxi.
Wena mana yazi yeyiphoyisa lapha ngakini enanifunda nayo. Ubayigabela. Oh,
Ubama.
ushiqimbana nje kuphaphile.
Okhalisa
Right,
umama.
bye now. Maybe ngiyaqala.
Okhalisa umama lapha esikhulu.
Ngihlale ngalapha, ngihlale nga.
Yes, please my love because of the mirror yabo.
Yo mama baningi abantu abaphaphile ngakithi.
Mnyama kodwa yena
don't know her.
uyiphoyisa. Kwa nifunda naye. Nifunda naye.
Yo ngangifuna nangomunye
Kunyuzwa ile igama Dulish.
Emtholo
Mqobani.
Emqobane.
Ayisho
Gobela.
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 Ngangikhumbula ngikuzwe
Angaze
lo gama.
ngifunde Gobela wena uthanda ukungifaka.
Mina?
Hawu. Cha.
Oh lo.
Do I prefer braids, Duke, or frontal braids? Every day, all day, every day.
Hallelujah ufanele.
Oh, fanele.
Nkosi.
Yazi mthole high ngapha iphoyisa ngesibhamu.
Wayena isikole.
Owenzani?
La kangcono. Yalizala ingane njengawe yonke. Chiza amaphuzu. Ngize kuyona.
Kuyamazi zamafuthi enqobo.
Ngize kuyona.
Oh, wasiyojola.
Hayi usho mhlawumbe usho omdala. Uthi ngithule.
Zamafuze hayi man. Come on, zamafuze.
Mani ngipedeni manje nasidukeni.
Awayi 3 lines mina.
Awu ngeke kunini sifikile le ekhaya namhlanje. You can mic me, Coco. I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you. And,
But I was
and,
driving umnini wayo mina.
and,
It wasn't me.
and
It was
It wasn't me. Ngangidrive imoto yomuntu ozekile.
surprise! You see my surprise? Ehlise kancane. Nayi surprise yakho faka lapho. Is that the thank you that I get, Thomas? Wona thank you ngitholayo loyo. Hayi mngani wami ngeke. So masithole i-chance sidubule ukukhulekana nomkhosi.
Khona nomyeni ukuthi umyekela ngingamhlingi nje kodwa umkhosi.
Do I enjoy acting? Oh, I really, really do. I love storytelling. Do you enjoy acting, Mom?
I love what I do. I love what I do. To be in someone else's, shoes.
To have a vault.
In the morning was different. I was so like, wow. I was wakhathela umama. Angene setini.
Yes, girl.
I was vacas back.
Oh,
They don't know.
why are you taking my side?
Are you on a live or
I
reading a
am
site?
on a live. It doesn't matter. It is my kubhadwe like kuthiwa mama umkhululi mabusi wena why awuceli ngani samcolo mfethu hayi
What's yours?
icela kahle ithi ngiyacela ithi ngiyacela
Ayami kahle ibuho.
okay
Ithi ngiyacela sisi wami.
ithi ngiyacela mamkhululi omuhle
Umdala. Athi ngiyacela.
kuthiwa yes tafsile girl
Lapho vele mina ngithi hayi kanjani.
Guys, night director.
wait Nkosi yami nayi director guys I need to end my life
Look busy.
I need to end my life as I'm telling you uyahlupha bafethu Mana, can I drink some of your water?
Yes, look busy, guys.
Is the director there? I need to.
And
I'm gonna mute you guys because we're running now. One, action. Wakapala libatswadi.
Wakapalwa ukuhlulwa.
Wakapalwa. Say it. Say the whole thing.
Wakapalwa.
Wakapalwa.
Or can just say wapalwa.
Wapalwa.
Kibatswadi.
Kibatswadi.
Wapalwa the elephant.
Kibatswala libatswadi. Kibapala kibatswadi. Kibapala kibatswadi. Say it.
Udala abazali.
Is that what I said? Okay, we're coming, guys. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. This is my left hand. Kibapala kibatswadi. This is my left hand. This is my left, because it switched to selfie mode. This is our sound DOP, Mr. Chiffon Extraordinaire. And then this is the best team in the world. Jones! Best team in the world. We are here. What you gonna say, Toast? Let's go. Give a 20, give a party, but what? Huh? One good one. Dude, wait, but direct, the lupin de Udula, Joshua, Umchelu Tagaish. He's just trying to say, you see, Zulu people do not want to learn. He's
Banana
now with my ish.
Okay, let's rehearse. Can I have hope and bubble from that side?
Okay, guys, I have to go. I have to go, guys. Bye-bye.
So I just want to see the walk. The rest we're gonna do. Get the walk. And 3, 2, 1. You can see. Yamana good. Yamana get. So you say your first line.
Where do you want me to say my first line?
First line there.
Oh.
Before you sit down, she needs to say. Pamada needs to say what? What's the name?
Oh,
Yeah. That's when you're gonna sit down.
Yeah.
And action.
The last is Mr. Gash.
Oh, there is one.
Oh. Oh, it sounds like a bigger size. It sounds like a name.
We have this code, right?
Yes.
But also, Manzimanda, can I ask you a favor? When they walk in, you already you had an altercation about the whole situation. It's like I wonder what is the answer. But the demeanor and walking in, you picking up with the eyes, you handling it without control. Thank you.
There's the sweetest girl in the whole wide world.
Imagine you teaching with friends.
Oh, also thank you. I can zoom Okay, sure. Oh, let me show you the best team in the country. I hope someone recorded her speaking to guys. How sendifuna kuthiwa manje na bekuyinto encane lena yomndeni ningabarekhodeli abantu hawu ningayenzi nje lonto senzorekhodela abantu manje naye ningayenzi lonto. Where is Pamanda? There he is. Lipala what? Wapala. Yeah. So, what is parents? What is parents? Basadi is woman. Batswadi. Yeah. Yeah. Niyabona-ke. Azongiphethe. Usiphamandla udla kanjani isini ngakoqala?
Let's go for a take. No sound, no camera.
Perfect.
No more me that you fastida. Somebody, fastida, no more me. Somebody, let's go for a take. Sound is pretty at the board.